What does innovation mean to you?
Innovation to me means creating something new, building something that has value and that could have some impact. It could be economic impact, it could be environmental impact, or bring about a social change. And that's what makes me very excited about my role in HM Claus leading the Innovation Center, is that we are providing a platform for startups to really bring innovations to the market.
To me, innovation is just creative ways to solve problems. And this space provides a place where people can do research, find new solutions that are useful to problems we all have.
For me, innovation is mixing diversity, mixing collaboration, and mixing good science to solve real problems, real challenges. I'm super proud to be a part of HM Close Research and Development and our partnerships with universities around the world, including UC Davis, to help bring together great scientific minds to work together and collaboratively to solve these challenges.
Being innovative means being bold, being open to new ideas, being persistent, and not pausing when you see failure, getting back up and continuing to move forward, learning from those mistakes.
In my role, I view innovation as translating groundbreaking research and creative ideas into products and services that impact people's lives. Ultimately, societal and economic impacts result when this is accomplished through a successful startup company.
Innovation to me is the ability to take our own individual skill sets and really apply it in a way that can make a difference in the world. And for myself, that was 15 years worth of study in the cancer signaling pathway field. It was really an opportunity to take some technology and develop a commercial product that could, in this case, provide a cure for cancer.
You can be innovative when you're growing plants, you can be innovative when you're planting plants, or the innovation can also come from the different breeding of different genetics together in order to create an innovative product that brings a competitive advantage to the market.
To me, innovation is about solving problems. When I think about the challenges facing our world today, we need to be innovative. Innovation is being shown to be the key to top-line growth in companies, and studies have consistently shown that companies that are innovative outperforms their peers when it comes to increased market share and customer loyalty. To me, when it comes to innovation, I always encourage our scientists, our entrepreneurs, to fall in love with innovation, not individual projects.
The HM Claus UC Davis Life Sciences Innovation Center was established with a vision to promote innovation-driven entrepreneurship in the region. The Life Sciences Innovation Center is one of a kind public-private partnership that has aligned missions and desire of both partners, UC Davis and HM Claus, to promote innovation, to identify synergies between rapidly evolving technologies in agriculture and biotech, and to support a robust innovation ecosystem. Established in 2015, the Life Science Innovation Center is a 3,100 square foot wet lab facility that contains cell and molecular biology, chemistry and biochemistry lab space, as well as 1,800 square feet of contiguous greenhouse growth facilities. It was and still is one of a kind wet lab facility supporting startups ranging from ag tech to human therapeutics.
Hi, I'm James Bruska, Global Head of Research and Development at HM Close. At the core of our research and development at HM Close are the life sciences connected to the development and deployment of new and innovative vegetable varieties to bring value and sustainability to the vegetable supply chain.
My name is Vincent Asiago. I'm the Global Director of R&D, Portfolio, Innovation and IP. Accessing wet lab, which requires instruments, equipment, is very expensive, and for startups in life sciences, this is not possible. So the Life Sciences Innovation Centers offers these startups an opportunity to access this wet lab.
Hi, my name is Catherine Cook, and I'm the CEO at Nusicer. At Nusicer, we're leveraging natural genetic diversity to reinvent the chickpea with high protein characteristics for a sustainable future. the access to lab space, shared office space, and the equipment has been instrumental in helping our small company scale well beyond our current size.
Hi, my name is Brad Niles. I'm the CEO of Arise Precision Medicine, and we are a cancer therapeutics development company based here in Davis, California. I'm a graduate of UC Davis, and when the founder of the company and myself were looking for a place to do the research to develop a precision-based medicine approach for curing cancer where we kill the cancer cells without killing the healthy cells, we identified through UC Davis a turnkey laboratory in the H.M. Klaus Life Science Innovation Center where we could come in and we could get straight to work.
The UC Davis Venture Catalyst team supports startups through the SMART Toolkit for Accelerated Research, Translation, or the START program that equips entrepreneurs with all the tools, resources, and services they need to grow prosperous companies. The Venture Catalyst team also provides connections to the regional innovation ecosystem, other partners and investors, and university programs.
I'm Ryan Sharp, Senior Associate Director with UC Davis Venture Catalyst. At Venture Catalyst, we focus on supporting our faculty, students, staff, and alumni in launching new startup companies based on translational research, technology, and innovative ideas developed at UC Davis. Thanks to visionary leadership at H.M. Klaus and the UC Davis Office of Research, in 2014 we were able to build a unique partnership to address a critical unmet need in the regional startup ecosystem, namely wet lab incubation space with shared facilities and equipment. The UC Davis H.M. Klaus Life Science Innovation Center was publicly launched in 2015, and since that point, it's housed numerous exciting startup companies working on early stage research and development milestones across a wide variety of sectors, ranging from agriculture to human therapeutics.
Startups can rent lab bench space at affordable rates, and that includes access to shared lab equipment and instrumentation, office space, and meeting rooms for a period ranging between 6 months and 2 years.
My name is John Lindbo. I'm a research fellow here at H.M. Klaus, and I help manage some of the space in the Innovation Center. It's got a lot of shared equipment that are most equipped for molecular biology and some light biochemistry work. We have general equipment you'd expect, PCR machines, real-time PCR machines, plate readers, chromatography setup, a lot of tools that people would use for, like I said, standard molecular biology and biochemistry type work. So some of the notable equipment we have are a CO2 incubator. Some of the startups here do work with animal cell culture, so they use the biosafety cabinet, the CO2 incubator, and the inverted scope. We also have a laminar flow hood if people are using other types of tissue culture, including a plate reader and also this tabletop high-speed centrifuge. We have both tube and a plate rotor for the centrifuge, which is very handy. In addition to lab equipment, we provide access to liquid nitrogen, storage space in a -80 freezer, as well as storage space in 4-degree and -20 freezers, and also an ice machine.
When we joined the H.M. Klaus Life Science Innovation Center, one of the major appeals for the location was a full setup for cell culture-based research, from the cell incubator to the biosafety cabinet, microscope, qPCR, and plate readers to perform our high throughput assays. We were able to get immediately to work with the materials and instruments that were available here at the Life Science Innovation Center, which was a major boon for our company.
Hello, I'm Keith Walker. I'm the Research Station Manager for H.M. Klaus. One of the unique aspects of our Innovation Lab is that we actually have a greenhouse attached to the Innovation Lab. It allows our tenants the opportunity to grow plants in a controlled environment where there's lights, heating, cooling, as well as irrigation. Once again, there's a certain aspect that makes this Innovation Lab unique, and that's that we have the opportunity for tenants to grow plants in a controlled greenhouse environment.
Over the course of this last summer, we were able to plant several hundred different chickpea genotypes, grow those up in small bulk plots, and are now able to use all of that material to continue our research and development activities of developing high-protein chickpeas to enable a sustainable future in the alternative protein market.
HM Claus is part of Limagrand Group, an international cooperative owned by farmers. We collaborate with stakeholders across the value chain with the purpose to move agriculture forward.
As a result of this aligned vision, the Life Science Innovation Center has been instrumental in catalyzing new opportunities for life sciences in the region.
HM Claus is proud to share and celebrate this incubator, proud of our partnership with UC Davis, and proud of our commitment to nurturing the exploration and innovation in the life sciences space.
Without the support and partnerships with HM Claus, our company actually would look very different than we are today. And we're very appreciative for all the support that we've gotten through the Innovation Center.
The Life Sciences Innovation Center was established with HM Claus's trailblazing commitment to support innovation. We have a key role to play in the quality of this innovation by enriching the regional innovation ecosystem. We look forward to engaging in this innovation ecosystem, sharing resources, contributing to and benefiting from it.